Hi guys, welcome to Sci Quest Academy. Our Sci Quest students shine in online presentations. We are thrilled to share the incredible achievements done by our Sci Quest presenters. Their hard work, creativity and dedication truly set them apart. Congratulations on your outstanding performance. Now it's the Sci Quest presentation time.
What are rocks? Rocks are solid materials that are made up of one or more minerals. In geology, rock is any naturally occurring solid mass or aggregate of minerals or mineraloid matter. It is categorized by the mineral included, its chemical composition, and the way in which it is formed. The three types of rocks are igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks.
Next Sci Quest presenter.
Okay, start.
Hello, my name is Ayani Ali Muhammad. I study in Brightway International School in Maldives. I am in grade 4 and this is the cover page. This presentation is about bones and muscles. I hope you enjoy this presentation. This is the contents page where there is all the contents. First is the introduction, bones and muscles, human skeletal system.
Next Sci Quest presenter.
There are four main types of animal tissues. So these four types of animal tissues that we can identify are one, the epithelial tissue, then we can find the connective tissue, number third is the muscle tissue, and finally the nervous tissue. These are the four main types of tissues that we can find in an animal body. And also for the animal tissues, the human body is made up of about 210 different types of cells. And when we talk about the four groups, these are the only four main groups. So there are more types of animal tissues, but these are the four main groups. And from these four main groups, first let's talk about the epithelial tissue. So the function of the epithelial tissue is to line up the free surface, and which can be internal and external. And this is in the vertebrate body. And some of them are composed of single cell layers and others with multicell layers.
Next Sci Quest presenter.
Where something is falling from the sky means precipitations. Precipitation. Examples: rain, snow, hail, sleet, droplet. Surface water. Water that collects on the surface of the ground. Examples: lake, seas, waterfalls, streams, ponds. Groundwater. Water that exists in saturated zones beneath the land surface. Well, aquifers, springs. Water based on salinity. Fresh water.
Next Sci Quest presenter.
Today, I am going to talk about evaporation and crystallization. Evaporation. Evaporation is a process by which an element or compound transitions from its liquid state to its gaseous state below the temperature at which it boils. It is a form of vaporization that usually happens on the surface of liquids and involves the transition of the liquids and of the liquid particle into the gaseous phase. Evaporation mostly occurs from the sea and from vegetation, replenishing the humidity of the air. In chemistry, evaporation refers to the process of a liquid turning into gas. Evaporation occurs at temperatures below the boiling point of the liquid. It occurs when individual liquid particles at the exposed surface of the liquid absorb just enough energy to overcome the force of attraction with other liquid particles. Hereby I have attached a photo of a evaporation. During vaporization, the unnecessary components are vaporized by supplying heat to a mixture and the essential component is isolated. When metals are dissolved in mercury, a special solution known as amalgam is formed.
Next Sci Quest presenter.
Terminal and negative term. This is the symbol to denote a cell. The longer one is the positive terminal and the shorter one is the negative terminal. Direction of the current flowing from an electric source. Electricity current flows from positive terminal to negative. So these blue ones are electrons. So the electron comes from the positive terminal. Then this symbol denotes the bulb, then goes to the negative terminal. For extra knowledge, a center zero ammeter. An ammeter or a milliammeter with a zero with the zero at the center. So it is used to detect the amount of the current and to see the direction of the current that flows. The standard unit to measure the current is ampere, capital A. The subunit is used to measure a small amount of current. It is called milliampere or simple M, capital A. Simple cell. The terminal in copper sheet is the positive terminal. In the zinc sheet, negative terminal. Thank you.
That's it. Okay, very good. Okay, that's much appreciated actually. We explained well concepts.
Next Sci Quest presenter.
Good afternoon. Have you ever looked into your telescope and saw large spheres in different colors? Some are rocky, some are smooth, some are hot and cold, and some are big and small. Let's look into a wonderful solar system and what it has to offer us. The Sun. The Sun is a huge star. It is 93 million miles away from Earth. Earth and all the other planets orbit the Sun. The Sun has a yellowish-orange color, and it has a near-perfect sphere shape. The Sun was named after the Roman god Solon Victus, or in Greek terms of Apollo, who was the god of the sun, or sun god. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system, and it is also the planet closest to the Sun, making it the most difficult of the planets to see with the unaided eye. Because its rising or settings always within about 2 hours of the Sun's, Mercury is never observable when the sky is fully dark. Mercury, you see, was named after the messenger of the gods himself, Mercury, or in Greek terms, Hermes. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is a terrestrial planet and is the closest in mass and size to its orbital neighbor, Earth. Venus is notable for having the densest atmosphere of the terrestrial planets. Composed.
Next Sci Quest presenter.
Form of matter: solid, liquid, gas. Solid has a definite shape. Solid has a definite volume. Liquid has the shape of the container. Liquid has a definite volume. Gas has no definite shape and no definite volume. I will ask you a question. Can you answer them?
Yes, the students, you all can participate in the question rather than the tutor participating in the presentation question. So yeah, so Alina is asking you all a question. Are you ready to answer it?
What is the state of the matter is water when it's frozen?
Sorry.
It's
Okay. Very good. Okay.
Which of the following is a source of energy form?
Solar panels.
It's correct. What is the type of the energy does a battery store?
Electric heat energy.
No.
Electric energy.
Yes.
Next Sci Quest presenter.
End button.
Now it's you can see.
Okay. Can you hear me right?
Yes, I can hear you well and you can see the slide as well.
I'm Shaheen from Mount Cluster School from grade 7. I'm going to present a presentation about direct current and alternating current. Direct current. Think direct current as a stream of water flowing in one direction steadily and predictably. It's the kind of electricity you will find in batteries which power things like your phone, tablet or even some toys. Just like a one-way street, DC or direct current flows consistently in a single direction. Direct current is super important in electronics because it's stable and easy to work with. Imagine trying to play your favorite game on your phone if the electricity kept going on and off like a flickering light. With DC, you will get smooth and steady flow of power, making sure your devices work properly. And you can see here the diagram of a direct current. It flows steadily with the time. Okay. Alternating current. Alternating current is a type of electric force where the direction of the electric charge changes periodically. Alternating current or electricity is generated using devices called generators. These machines convert mechanical energy such as steam, water, or wind power into electrical energy. The generated AC is then transmitted through power lines to homes, schools, and buildings or industries. Alternating current can be easily transformed and distributed at different voltage levels using transformers, making it efficient for long distance transmission. This is an extra knowledge history of the direct current and alternating current. In the late 90s,
Next Sci Quest presenter.
microscope, you may get surprised. The liquid part of the blood is not at all red. It is in pale yellow bloods. There are 4 types of blood. One is plasma, second red blood cell, white blood cell, and platelets. We call the short form of red blood cell is RBC. Short form of white blood cell is WBC. Okay, sir.
Right. Let's go to the next one. Okay.
Plasma. Do you know how plasma looks? So,
Yeah, go ahead.
do you
can
know
continue.
how?
Oh, sorry.
Do you know how plasma looks like and what is the function of it? Come, let's look at this paragraph. Plasma is a liquid part of blood. It is mostly water. It dissolves the sugar, iron, gases, and etc. For an example, in the blood, the sugar is absorbed into scattered over the blood all over the body. Okay, sir.
Right.